Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for intermediate level part 1. Now in this lesson today, we're going to talk about the cases of noun. We have already talked about noun and its kinds. Let's talk about where we can use a noun in a sentence. So you can use a noun in 6 different places in a sentence. And one use of a noun is known as one case of a noun. So the first one is subjective or nominative case. 2. Objective or accusative case. 3. Subjective complement case. 4. Oblique or object of preposition case. 5. Vocative case. And 6. Possessive or genitive case. Now let's talk about them in details. The first one is subjective or nominative case. Now remember, subjective is taken from the word subject. And if I say a noun is used in subjective case, it means that the noun is used as the subject of a sentence. So what's the definition? Here, noun is used as the subject of the verb, or you can generally say the subject of the sentence. So the structure is noun plus verb. We first of all use noun, and following that we use the verb. For example, Alia comes daily. So here, Alia is the noun and comes is the verb. Now if you see, the subject of the sentence is Alia. Who comes daily? Alia. And it's a noun, so we can call it the subjective case of noun. It means the noun is used as the subject of the sentence, or specifically as the subject of the verb. The chair is old. Here, the noun is the chair, and it is used as the subject of the verb is. Are the boys studying? Now it's a question, so we have the boys, the subject, and studying, the main verb. Ahmad is a student. Let's talk about the second one, which is objective or accusative case. It's self-explanatory. In objective case, a noun is used as the object of the verb. So the structure is main verb plus noun. Here the noun is used after the main verb. For example, Ali studies English. So in this sentence, the noun is English and it is used as the object of the main verb, studies. She cooks the dinner. So the dinner is the object and it's a noun. It's used as the object of the verb cooks. Ahmad is playing cricket. In this sentence, we've got 2 nouns, Ahmad and cricket. Ahmad is used as the subject, so we call it subjective case of noun. Cricket is used as the object, so we call it objective case of noun. So in this sentence, we have got 2 cases of noun. She drinks water. So water is used as the object of the verb drinks. And let's talk about the third one, which is subjective complement or subjective complement case. So here, the noun is used after to be verb. Remember this. Here we use a noun after a to be verb. Why? To complete the meaning of the sentence or to complete the meaning of the subject. That's why we call it complement. Complement is taken from complete. It completes. Completes what? The subject in specific terms. In general terms, it completes the sentence. So here we have to be verb plus noun. For example, I'm a teacher. So in this sentence, the noun is a teacher and it is used after the to be verb am. Now, if you don't use a teacher here, I am. So I'm what? The meaning is not complete. He's a doctor. Ali is a policeman. And the last example, they were students. Now in all these sentences, the nouns are used to complete the meaning of the sentences. This concludes our session for today. Remember, there is an exercise on the same video that you have to perform after watching the video. This was just a short version of our today's lesson. The same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much.